Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is another unboxing and first impressions of some more really cool pairs of Bluetooth earbuds. So, today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Motast TWS07 Bluetooth earbuds. Alright, now, before we dive into this video, I just want to let y'all know, if you're not following me on Instagram, you guys and gals are missing out on a bunch of daily deals and a bunch of sneak peeks of up and coming content for the channel. So if you're going to follow me across any platform, the minimum you should be following me on is Twitter and Instagram, because that's where I post the most. So if you were following me on Instagram, you saw a little teaser go up of these earbuds, and you might even see a little teaser clip go up featuring some good features on the earbuds as well. So you need to be following me over there. That being said, we're going to try and make this video as quick as possible, so we're not going to mess around. So let's get into this unboxing and first impressions of these earbuds. Now, real quickly, probably the sweetest thing about these earbuds is the price that I was able to pick them up for. So I was able to pick this up from Amazon, and I paid, let me show it to y'all. Let me pull it up because I took the screenshot just so I can show y'all. I paid this right here. So you can see $27.99, 28 bucks. Alright, really good stuff. And let me go ahead and tell y'all why I was super excited about being able to pick this up for that price. Because the features that these earbuds offer, I don't know how they can afford to sell it at that price. Let's go over some key features real quickly, and hopefully these get you as excited as I am behind this camera. So let's talk about these key features. Key feature number one, these bad boys incorporate Bluetooth 5.0 technology on board. So say it with me, you can truly live that hashtag wireless lifestyle. You know, hashtag no cables for the win. Y'all know how we do. Core feature number two, these bad boys incorporate the IPX7 sweat and water resistance rating, so you can indeed fully submerge these. Alright, now we're getting into the heavy hitter features right here. Core feature number three, these bad boys incorporate 4 microphones. So they're claiming that you should get some really good call quality with these and some really good overall microphone performance. We're definitely going to put that to the test. Another sweet core feature is that they're claiming that these earbuds have dual graphene drivers on board for some really good overall sound quality and crystal clarity. Alright, we're going to put that to the test as well. These also incorporate USB Type-C. That's right, one cable to rule them all. USB Type-C, all the things. That's what I'm talking about. And one of my favorite all-time features, they have a dedicated percentage LED display. So absolutely no guesswork needed with these. Oh my goodness, yes. And all for 28 bucks. That's right, y'all. That's why I'm super pumped back here. Alright? And also, you can use these bad boys in independent mode, so one earbud at a time, or stereo mode, both earbuds together. Alright? I'm going to show y'all how to do that in the up and coming videos, so y'all stay tuned for that. But man, did y'all hear that core feature set? Woo! Yes! And the manufacturer is touting these as having up to 5 hours of usage time on a single charge and an additional 40 hours including the charging case. So that's really what I like to see. We're going to put that to the test and see if it stacks up. Oh yes, oh yes. Alright? But man, okay, let me calm down. Got a little too hype right there. Alright, but man, did y'all hear those core features? That's what I'm talking about. Let's get into this packaging and presentation and this unboxing, alright? So talking about the overall packaging and presentation, I have to say Motast did a great job with these. Very minimalistic, very clean and straightforward. So nice little picture of the product up front. We got the model number right here. We got a B for the color. So this is the TWS07 and this is the black variant. Really good stuff here. Swinging it around to the side, highlighting some features right there. So again, dual high dynamic graphene drivers, dedicated touch controls, and your charging case. Okay, really good stuff there. Flipping it to this side, I think this is just some inventory purposes information here. Flipping it to the back, we do get some more specifications right here. So they're claiming 4 hours of talk time and 4 hours of music playback. And the charging case has an 800 milliamp hour battery on board. And we got the charging specifications for the case itself, along with some additional information right down there. So really good stuff in my overall opinion. Really good stuff indeed. Alright. Overall, I really like the packaging on these. So cracking the box, and y'all know, as I always do, all I did was cut the tapes and seals on this. Okay. Charge up the case itself, charge up the buds themselves, throw everything back in the box, and push record. So let's go. Cracking the box, we're greeted with the earbuds inside of the charging case. If I can get this out without struggling. Boom. Right there. Okay. Then we got to take this divider out. Right here. Boom. Then we got our user manual, which does come in a variety of different languages. We're going to go through this in a second. Okay. Then we have our accessories box. And that's about it. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, real quickly, let me pause the video. Let me lay everything out in a nice presentatable fashion. And then we'll be right back to finish up this unboxing and first impressions. So I will be right back. See y'all in a second. Alright y'all, so now we are back in. So I've taken everything out of the box and I've laid it out so we can nice and neatly walk through it. So inside of the box we have the earbuds themselves inside of the charging case. We're going to take a closer look at this in a second. We have our earbud tips. Now these come with our small, our medium, and our large tips. I do believe the large tips are already on the earbuds straight out of the box. Then we have our charging cable here. So you can see USB-A right there to USB Type-C. That's what I'm talking about right there. And this charging cable does seem like it's okay quality. Not the best quality, but it's okay. I probably will never use these because I got some nice high quality cables. But really nice to see that USB Type-A to USB Type-C directly out of the box. Good stuff there. Then we have our user manual. We're going to cover this last. And now let's walk through this charging case. So on the front here, I don't know how well you can see it, but we do have our LED percentage readout display right here. Really nice stuff. On the bottom, we got our USB Type-C charging port. On the back, we're clean. Alright, nothing on the side. Good stuff. So overall, very clean, very minimalistic design. And let me show y'all the LED readout display. So all we got to do is drop the buds in and then to start charging up. Now once it's fully charged, you won't see any bud indicators and then it'll power itself off. So as I said, I already fully charged the buds, so that's why you're not seeing any indicators here, just a battery percentage for the case. But really good to see that LED percentage readout display. All the guesswork is gone now. Alright, really good stuff there. Cracking the lid. It is a really nice case. So you can see we got branding, we got right and left branding in the case, and we got right and left branding on the buds. Alright, taking the buds out of the case, they automatically power on, they sync up to each other, and then they go into pairing mode. I don't know if y'all saw that flashing LED right there, but they do sync up to each other and go into pairing mode. Now let me attempt to give y'all a closer look at the buds to the best of my ability. So they do have a little bit of a funky design. You can see it's kind of strange looking. Here's the bud itself. I'm guessing it has that weird design because of the drivers they tried to put in here. But it does look kind of strange. Kind of strange indeed. So on the back, we have our touch sensitive area right here. On the bottom, we do have our microphones right there. Now, I do apologize. It's kind of hard to see, but our microphones are right there. We got one on each side. So what I'm thinking is we got two microphones on each earbud, one on each side for really good call quality and call clarity. Then we got our charging pins on the bottom right here. Boom. And then real small, Definitely a really nice touch. We got a nice label right here. So they are labeled right and left in the case, as well as right and left on the buds. So really, really nice touch there. And I don't know how well y'all can see that, but there it is. All right. So now, real quickly, I just want to drop these in and give y'all my overall first impressions of the fit and feel. Then we're going to wrap this video up. We're going to walk through the user manual and call this video a day. So let me drop these in real quick and give y'all my first impressions of the fit and the feel. Let's go. So dropping in the left. All right. Boom. And dropping in the right. Let me give y'all another quick close-up here before we go. So here's the touch sensitive area, okay? And you can see they have that stem design, okay? And then once again, we got microphones on the back and microphones on the front. And I do apologize, it's kind of very hard to see, okay? Right there is the microphones. Then we got our charging pins right here, okay? And you can see the very strange design for the bud right there with our branding or our labels right there, and I do apologize because it is very hard to see. All right, but let's drop the right in now. Boom. All right, so first impressions of the fit and the feel. Pretty solid fit. Okay, sound isolation seems to be pretty good as well. All right, let me do a real quick shake test. Okay, so they're moving around a little bit. I do feel like I may need to adjust the earbud tips, but it seems to be okay. So the overall fit seems to be okay. Let me take a real quick selfie for y'all and show y'all. We're going to do a front profile and we're going to do a side profile so y'all can see and get an idea of what they may potentially look like. So here we go. Pixel 2 XL on deck today. Let me snap this real quick. All right, Paya. Okay, so here's the front profile. So fairly discreet, not bad. You can barely tell that I have them in. All right, let's do a side profile real quick. 1 second. Paya. Let that process real quick. Okay, processing done. And then here's the side profile. So you can see we do indeed got the stems on deck, but it still looks pretty good. Pretty good indeed. All right, not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, so you get an idea of what they look like. And now let's take them out my ears real quick. All right, let's go. Oh boy, I was talking pretty loud. Sorry, y'all. Hope I wasn't yelling on there. But overall, pretty good fit. Pretty good fit indeed. Alright, so now let's run through the user manual real quick and we'll wrap this video up. Now, this user manual does come in a variety of different languages, but the translation on some of this is really rough. So thank goodness for Google Translate, you know what I'm saying? But I will throw up all the necessary information that y'all need to know in post because this translation was a little rough. But this does come in 4 different languages. It comes in English, it comes in German, it comes in Japanese, and it comes in French, I believe. Okay? Alright, so let's flip this open. And that is the wrong part, my bad. Okay, we're going to get to the English. Okay, this is English right here. So you can see here's the front. Okay, really nice layout on this. Okay, here's the first page. Got a precaution, little message here, some tips for usage, so on and so forth. Okay, some more product information right here. Charging information right there in terms of voltage. Okay. Alright, and then we got a nice diagram of the buds, diagram of the case, and some power on and off instructions. Okay, get that nice and close for y'all. And then on this last page, we got some features and touch controls for the buds. So let's get y'all a nice close up there. Okay, hope that's nice and legible. Now I'll go ahead and put up the instructions in post in a more easily digestible fashion. But bam, just wanted to show y'all that real quick. Alright, and that pretty much does it, guys and gals. So real quick walkthrough of the user manual. Now, as I always do, I will go through everything you guys and gals need to know in the full review and any of my additional coverage on these earbuds. So y'all be on the lookout for that. But as I always say, I do know there are some guys and gals that like to see the user manual in the unboxing and first impressions. That's why I always try to cover it. Alright? But y'all stay tuned for my additional coverage on these earbuds. And honestly, y'all, first impressions, they seem like a really solid pair of earbuds, okay? Whew, really good stuff there. Alright, so that pretty much does it for this video, guys and gals. And once again, this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Motast TWS07 Bluetooth earbuds, alright? As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video and or you found it helpful in any shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Also, if your interest is piqued, all the links to where you guys and gals can get these earbuds for some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So if your interest is piqued, down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Now, my full review for these earbuds should be out in about 2 weeks from the posting of this video, so y'all stay tuned for that, alright? This whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active in 720p resolution at 30 frames per second with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is appreciated. And let's get into a nice, respectful conversation about how you feel about these earbuds, alright? And as always, guys and gals, keep it respectful, please. Alright? I hope y'all have a great day. I hope everyone is staying safe out there. And I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.